Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple and effective way to download images from Pinterest using your mobile device. Whether you're looking to save a beautiful design, a delicious recipe, or a stunning landscape, Pinterest has it all. Let's walk through the updated steps to download an image from a pin on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll be greeted by the home page filled with a variety of pins tailored to your interests. Next, from the home page, browse through your feed or use the search bar at the top to find the specific pin you want to download. Once you spot an image that catches your eye, go ahead and open the pin by tapping on it. This will take you to a detailed view of the pin where you can see more information about it. Now that you have the pin open, look for the three dots located under the image. This is an important step. Tapping on these three dots will bring up a menu with several options related to that pin. From this menu, select Download Image. A prompt may appear asking for your permission to save the image to your device. Just tap Allow, and voila! Your image will be saved directly to your phone's gallery. Once the download is complete, you can easily access your saved images in your photo gallery or camera roll. This method is quick and straightforward, allowing you to collect all your favorite inspirations from Pinterest effortlessly. Remember, downloading images from Pinterest is not just about saving pretty pictures. It's about gathering ideas and inspiration for your projects, crafts, or even home decor. So go ahead and start building your collection today. That wraps up our guide on how to download images from a pin on Pinterest. Enjoy creating and sharing your newfound inspirations. Happy pinning!